Hey everyone, it's Emily Seagren, Avon representative for 10 years, and I love selling online. I want to show you how to place an Avon order on a representative website. So I'm actually sending a reward to one of my team members for hitting a goal that I gave her. So the goal was for her to advance in leadership title, and she did, and I'm rewarding her with $100 worth of Avon products. So if you're interested in becoming a rep, I'll show you where you can find information about that as well. But for right now, I'm gonna show you how to enter an order on my website if you're shopping from the catalog. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen here, and my website is youravon.com/eSeagren. Not Seagram like the alcohol, Seagren with an N. You can also type in Emily Seagren and find my website that way on Google. Okay, so there are a few different ways to shop on the representative website. If you are interested in finding out about becoming a rep, that is where you would want to click. You can see that it already draws my name as the leader, so you would go on my team. Okay, so you can shop the website just like any other website by looking through the different product categories and browsing online. You can also shop by using the online brochure. So our website is going to switch over to a new campaign every 2 weeks. So if you have the paper brochure, you can still order using that, or you can shop directly from the online brochure. So if I click through, let's see, I do know that the dinosaur lip balm was one of the items. Let's see if I can find that. There it is. Okay, so I'm going to click on the dinosaur lip balm, and I'm going to hit 1 and add to bag. Okay, so then I can either go to my cart or I can continue shopping. So that's how you would browse the online brochure. Now, if you have the paper brochure and you know the 6-digit item numbers for the products that you want, you would choose shop by product number. Okay, and so I'm gonna just quickly type in what she has chosen for her free gift. And, okay, so I'm typing in the 6-digit code that you can find in the book and the quantity, and I can double check the product name to make sure I'm getting the right product there. Nine, 7, 4, 5. Okay. So if you have a previous book, you could also still order from that if it's the current brochure or 2 campaigns previous. So that is pretty straightforward. In order to get the same price in the book, you need to make sure that the campaign matches. And you can also search by product name down here. We're going to click Add to Bag. And you can see now that I have 13 items in my bag. And be sure to always check before you check out to see if there is a promo code to enter. So today, any $45 purchase, you can add a new overnight hydrating gel. So I'm gonna add that for my team member so she can take advantage of that as well. If it's your first time shopping with me, you can use the code WELCOME10 all together as your promo code, and it will give you 10% off any size order. You can only use that once per email address. So make sure you stock up on all your favorite Avon products when you use that code, because you can only use it once. So I clicked on the shopping cart here, and if you have not set up a customer profile yet, it will ask you to do that. If I'm gonna stay logged in, but otherwise, if you have shopped before, it will pull open and ask you to sign in. So pretty straightforward there. And then we're gonna add the coupon code, which was hydrate, and say apply. Okay, so if the code is for a percentage off, you would then see it up here. Mine is for a free product, so we can see that was added to the cart. We can see our special offers down here. You could definitely add the A box. It's an awesome deal, and I love the products in there and the product presentation. So take advantage of those special offers. Don't forget to add your free brochure so that you have that with your order. Oh, and by the way, we were just named the best customer service online beauty website. I don't know that I said that in the right order, but I think you know what I mean. By Newsweek, we were rated the best online beauty shopping destination. So I hope that you are already one of our happy customers. If you are not, I hope that you are after this video. So let's go ahead and say checkout. Okay, so it's actually asking me to sign in right here. So this is where you would want to register as a customer, check out as a guest, or sign in if you've already shopped before. So we see we have free standard shipping. It's always free shipping if you spend $40 or more, which is not hard to do. So I'm one of those online shoppers that hates to pay for shipping. So I always make sure that I meet those minimums. You would go ahead and enter your credit or debit card right here. And then you want to make sure that your shipping and your billing address are correct. And if you are a representative placing an order for one of your customers and you want it to ship directly to them, you would edit the shipping address here. Okay, so that's an option. If your customer is not comfortable shopping online, you can definitely help them with that. Place the order, they can give you their payment, and you can ship it directly to them. We would then click place order, we would get a confirmation number, and voila, your Avon products will be to your mailbox within 4 to 7 business days, okay? So I hope that provided some helpful information for you. And if you are an Avon customer, looking to be an Avon customer, I would love to be your Avon lady. So go to youravon.com/eSegrin. Thank you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.